Hello everybody and welcome to Bell CB. Looking at our first Cobra 29LXBT with an RFX-75 on it. This is for Johnny's in Iowa and this is a tune-up report. I left this out. I wanted to remind you guys that when you get an RFX from me, you also get a brand new power cord in your radio. Even if you've already got your other power cord installed, I want you to take it out and put in this larger one. It's a heavier duty 12 gauge wire dual fuse. We put a 10 amp fuse in each holder. I want you to use that. Voltage is very critical on these MOSFETs. If you just lose 1.5 volts, you lose a lot of power out of it. Changes it all together. So make sure to use that cord I give you. John, up here on the watt meter we have a 10, 20, 30 on the bottom. That's right in there at 14.5. 100 watt slug on this meter across the bottom again at 40, 60, and that's 80 over there.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 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 check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. Breaker 19 for a radio check. Appreciate it, thank you. Yeah, where you at? Where at? You're sounding good over here. We're east of 95 on commercial.